some people were fighting with gun or bomb on street?
No! Oh my god, no way! Oh my god! Hi!
Where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Portugal.
You're coming from Brazil!
England, wow. We have hi from Germany.
I can see you.
Can you see me?
Oh, that one.
Where did you buy the shoes?
Is it safe for this moment?
Of course it's safe. It's very safe.
Bonjour. Do you speak English?
No.
I read on the internet that it's dangerous to visit your city.
Well, actually, it's the media that makes a whole fuss about it, but nothing is happening. Si tu veux venir à Molenbeek, t'es le bienvenu. N'écoute pas CNN ni BBC ni rien du tout. Franchement, c'est une commune très bien. Il y a plein de gens, ils ont le sourire tranquille. Franchement, il y a des jolies filles.
And there's waffles, and you can't say no to waffles.
Just come and enjoy yourself and working with your friends.
Just do it. Hop on the plane. Do it.